Hey guys, it's me Ren, and today's video I'm going to be talking about how to save money. This is a very big part of keeping your finances and investing because you need to know where your money is, how much you have, and how to keep money. If you can earn money but you can't keep it, you cannot succeed in finance. So the first tip for saving money is have a goal. Know what you're saving up for. Personally, I am saving up to go on a road trip in 2026. That road trip is going to cost me $300. I have this envelope right here to show me what I'm saving for. It's very well labeled with what I'm saving for. The road trip is in March of 2026, which gives me 9 months to save for it. So after you have a goal, now you need to know how much time you have or what you need to do to accomplish that savings goal. For me, this is $300 in 9 months. If we want to do the math on that, we can grab a calculator and I'll show you exactly how this maths out. With 9 months to save, do 300 divided by 9. So that gives me $33.33 a month. That's how much I need to save on a monthly basis to accomplish this goal in 9 months. Theoretically, I want to finish this goal as fast as possible. I don't want to let it linger. I don't particularly want to wait 9 months to save up for this trip because I don't want to get stressed out. And as a kid, I don't have a consistent source of income. So when we get closer to the trip, it can be very, very stressful if I don't have enough money saved up. So theoretically, I want to complete this in 7 to 8 months rather than 9. But if I do it by month, I have to save up $33 a month, which is not bad. If you actually think about that, $33 a month is about $1 a day over 9 months. And that's possible for me. If I do a babysitting gig or mowing my lawn, I can get 1 month's worth of money pretty easily. But it's about being consistent. So break it down and figure out what you need to do on a certain timeline. Now, my tip number three for saving money is think about money as time. I have to babysit a 9 to 5 job every single week to earn $70. I think about money in time because for me, I don't want to work that much. But the most valuable asset in your entire life is time because you don't get time back. And if you work your whole life, then you're spending a lot of time working. So you say that $70 is worth about 9 hours of time. If I can save $70, that's 9 hours of work I don't have to do later on. That is 9 hours of playing baseball, 9 hours of sleeping, 9 hours of hanging out with my friends. So $70 is worth 9 hours of my time. I need to figure out how I can have a supply of saved up time. I try to learn how much time that's going to take me and is it worth the time. So for my specific example, I'm trying to save up $300 to go on a road trip. This road trip is about a week long. A week road trip for me is way worth it. It's worth my time to save up for that. But is a video game worth 9 hours to me? No. Buying a video game is not worth me working 9 hours. So you really have to figure out and prioritize what you want to buy with your time. Money is time, and time is money. Value your time to money. Very important. Think about how much time you're spending on everything you do and see if it's worth it. One of my favorite ways, though, to save money is buying assets that are worth money. So, personally, I buy a lot of precious metals such as silver, gold, and platinum. The reason I buy these is because it gives me that feeling of when you buy something. A lot of people just want to buy something and it satisfies you to just buy something with your money. That's why a lot of people go to the store and they buy a candy bar or they make impulsive purchases like going to the store, you see a CD that you want or like a movie and you go and just buy it right away. It's because you need that satisfaction of buying something. If you buy precious metals, you spend money, but in reality, you're actually saving money. I'll show you right now. These are 1/10 ounce platinum coins. They are worth about $130 a piece, Whenever I buy these, I pay a little bit of premium to own them because the dealers need to make money. So whoever's selling these need to make money. So they're worth about 130 bucks, and I pay about 140 a piece for them. But whenever I buy these coins, I don't sell them. And so they become a savings account in themselves. So these are worth 130 each. This is about $700 in coinage right here. This gold coin costs about, when I bought it, $300, and it's worth about 350. The best part about these coins as well is they can go up in price over time, but also when you buy them, you get this satisfaction of buying something. So whenever I buy these, I feel good because I feel like I just bought something. In reality, this metal is actually worth a lot of money, and I am saving money. So it's a 2-for-1 deal. I feel that satisfaction, but I'm saving a lot as I go. And this is the best way I've found for saving money. Now when I buy these coins, I look at what I've bought over a year, let's say, and I've saved $1,000 or I've saved $500 in just coinage alone. So collecting coins, buying silver, gold, platinum, whatever it may be, might be the best way for you to go. So that is tip number 4, is buy precious metals or buy things of actual value, buy assets. It's hard to save in the beginning. It's hard to buy assets in the beginning because you don't necessarily want to do it. But once you get to a certain point where buying assets becomes normal, then you'll get a good feeling and you'll kind of get either addicted to buying assets or it just becomes normal and it doesn't really affect you anymore. The more assets you have, obviously, the more money you're going to have. So this is a great way to save money. Saving is basically the basis of becoming financially successful. You can make all the money in the world. You can have the best job that pays you $300 an hour. But if you can't save your money and if you can't keep your money safe, then that doesn't matter. No matter how much money you're making, it does not matter. Here's the thing. I am 15 years old and I have saved over $5,000, and I don't have a job. I have a job that pays me $10 an hour, and I only get to work it maybe once a week. If I can save $5,000 doing that, you guys can save 10 grand, 20 grand doing whatever you're doing. If you have a job that pays you 20 bucks an hour, you can be making a lot more than me. It's just about how you save your money and how you spend it. Buying assets is going to be the number 1 way to grow your wealth. The number 2 way is saving money. So do a mixture of both. Buy precious metals or save cash. Either way, you could buy stocks, you could buy precious metals, but whatever you're doing, you need to think about, is it going to make me more money? If it doesn't make you more money or hold your money and keep it safe, then don't do it. I can confidently say that saving money is actually a lot easier than you'd think. You just have to start now. If you guys enjoyed the video, make sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and share this video with all your friends. It really does help me as I'm trying to grow this channel to 1,000 subscribers so we can get it monetized. But guys, this is where I disappear.